Hey guys, Jeff at Westcott Designs. We are here with Surge's 4Runner, and I want to kind of just go through it real quick, share some of the stuff we did to it. We'll start up here in the front because some of this stuff, you might look at it and say, that looks OEM, and we say, nope, it's not OEM. This is a Rago Fabrication front bumper, which is local to us. You can see we color matched it. We did it in gloss black powder coat. And when you look at it, it's done really nice. The lines, the way they tie in, the finish on it, the sand, how clean everything is on it. It's really hard to take a bumper and put a gloss finish on it and really make it look good. And in this case, it looks great. You would not even know that it wasn't OEM. We did a Warn winch in it. It's got Baja Designs lights here in the front. It's got a set of Baja Designs ditch lights here. It's got a set of our Westcott Designs ditch light brackets. It's got our Westcott Designs roof rack. You can just see how low profile it is, and we talk about how it meets the lines here and very little gap here. And then it's got our Westcott Designs brackets here for the Baja Designs lights across the front here and how they tie in. They're kept really low profile, allows the air to go up behind the lights, minimize wind noise, keeps the wind from actually traveling through the crossbars. Works really well. A lot of people don't even realize this, but this design here in this cutout here is actually the designs on the fenders on these trucks. So we kind of tie some of that stuff into the trucks where people don't even realize that some of that's tied into there. The back design here is actually like the rear spoiler on the truck, but we did this all in gloss black, and we did it for him because it's a special thing. This truck came all the way from South Carolina, was shipped to us, and for him to ship his truck to us and allow us to work on it, we wanted to do some special things to make it a little bit more unique and a little different for him as well. He wanted all the rock sliders kept in the factory BK59 textured finish, which is great because it doesn't draw your attention down there and it draws your attention up here. That's everything kind of ties into this vehicle. You can see the rock sliders. We talk about how the front and the back is tapered to match the lower garnishment and ties in. It's got our Westcott Designs logo. These are set as 0 degree, no kick out, DOM TIG rock sliders on this. We ran a 285 7017 with a 1-inch wheel spacer on the factory wheels. And the reason for that is so he still had a lot of room in the fenders because he actually plans to use this vehicle. So our Molly panels on the back here, we designed them so they match exactly the radius of the window here. So they actually look OEM. And then back in here, our bottle opener design, which we couldn't put the bottle opener here because we've got the Molly panels. So in this case, we moved the bottle opener down to here so you still have it there. It's got our Westcott Designs lift in it. Super clean build. We hope that Surge enjoys this. We appreciate him coming out to meet us, going through our shop and everything, experiencing all the experience that he's had. And we hope you guys enjoyed it as well. Again, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.